In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace a front ABS wheel speed sensor on a Ford Transit Connect. This is located behind the front wheels. Let's get started. With the vehicle raised and supported, we're going to locate our hubcap and wheel. Remove the hubcap by just pulling it off and set it aside. We're going to locate 5 19mm lug nuts, holding the wheel down. Remove these as well. If they are stuck, just rethread them on and work your tool free. Remove the wheel and set it aside. With our wheel removed, we're going to make our way to the back side of the knuckle, behind the rotor right here. Follow this wire and you'll locate your ABS wheel speed sensor. I'm going to push down on this tab on top of it and slide the connector out. Locate the tab right here and push down on it. Slide it out and inspect for any corrosion or damage. Set it aside. We're going to locate and remove our torque screw, which is a T25, holding our sensor down. It is down here, so get your tool in place and break it free. Remove the screw and set it aside. Now take hold of the sensor and work it back and forth and up and slide it out of the knuckle. And there it is. I'm going to clean the mating surface with some brake cleaner and a rag. Spray the surrounding area as well. Yeah, that looks good. Now I'm going to hit the area with some fine grit sandpaper. And one more time with our rag. Now to install our sensor. Slide it into place. Make sure it sits fully flush and hand thread it on. We're also going to snug it down with our T25 Torx bit. We're going to go ahead and torque this down to 45 inch-pounds. We're going to also reinstall our connector. Slide it in place and make sure the clip fully seats. We're going to reinstall our wheel. Now make sure it's flush and hand thread on your fasteners. Snug these down in an alternating pattern. With our vehicle on the ground, we're going to torque our 5 fasteners to 100 foot-pounds in an alternating pattern. We're going to reinstall our hubcap. Align the cutout on the hubcap with the valve stem on the rim. Once they're aligned, push down on all sides. Ensure it's flush.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.